गोयच्या 62व्या मुक्ती दिसाच्या फाटभुंयेर राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें गोंयकारांक हुनहुनीत परबीं दिल्या. गोंय मुक्तीची फळां चाखतना गोंयाक मुक्ती दिवपाक ज्या सुटके झुजाऱ्यांनी योगदान दिलां तें जण एकल्या गोंयकारान लक्षांत दवरचें अशें आवाहन राज्यपालान केलां.
On this glorious day in 1961, the last Portuguese Governor General surrendered to the victorious Indian armed forces, paving the way for freedom of Goa from the shackles of Portuguese rule. This day, this year is also memorable as Goa completes the milestone of 61 years of liberation. I feel proud to join this historic occasion of celebrating the momentous day of Goa's liberation. On this land of Mark Day, I extend my warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Goa. The journey to freedom was long and arduous. Freedom fighters from Goa and outside India, and of course other parts of India, underwent numerous sufferings and sacrifices in the struggle for emancipation. It is only appropriate that on this historic day we salute the brave and valiant soldiers as well as the spirited and selfless freedom fighters. Let us also pay homage to all those great souls who laid down their valuable life for the freedom of Goa and dedicated themselves for the cause of the nation. I would like to quote Kavi Bakibab Borkar, who said, quote, "Tathekar Majje Jalati," meaning, my hands fold in deep reverence to all those who sacrifice for their motherland.